Welcome back to another day here at the House of Valentina. We're counting down the days to Christmas if you're just joining us. We're doing a video a day 1 through 25. We have missed a couple days here and there, mainly because we're renovating our entire house while we do this video. I know, we're a little bit crazy, but we couldn't help ourselves. We absolutely love Christmas. I tend to be a little bit nuts. Like, I'm thinking about everything else and then I panic at the last minute because I haven't thought about the Christmas breakfast table. And so this year I thought, well, this video series has really got me, you know, on the ball. This is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and set my Christmas morning table. Of course, I'll take these things back up and hide them away so the kids don't see them right now. But I wanted to make sure I had everything because at the last minute, you only get whatever's left in the stores. And I'd hate for that to happen this year. I wanna be able to make sure I get everything that I want. So I found some of the cutest stuff. And I wanna share with you my essentials for a Christmas morning breakfast table. And we will definitely add on, the kids love having that cinnamon monkey bread, and they have a casserole that my mom always makes. So there's definitely gonna be more food on this table, but these are a few things that I can have ready in advance and they'll just be ready to go. I grew up in a house where everything was red and gold and glitzy, and I love that. I love going to my mom's house at Christmas, but I also really love a beautiful white linen tablecloth to go over the table because I love a neutral backdrop. So number one, go for a white linen tablecloth. It will give you a neutral backdrop that will make everything else just seem really soothing and special. The second thing, I actually went out and bought myself some new white plates. I just wanted simple plates that weren't too busy, that didn't have too much ornamentation on them. I actually ran a Target and found these plates, which are really gorgeous. They're very simple, and I'm really, really pleased. They're very heavy, and I'm probably gonna go back and buy more because I'm very pleased with these. Another thing that you should definitely have is a nice white linen napkin. Now, these are a little extra special. I'm gonna just show you. Is that okay? I'm just gonna show you while we're sitting here. I found these at Target. They're with that Magnolia collection that everybody's going crazy over, and they have a black embroidery on them. Isn't that beautiful? And this is also my favorite. So there's two different kinds. There's this one with the little antlers, and I just think that that is gorgeous. So you need white linen cloth napkins. I don't care if you pull the paper ones out later, whatever, because sometimes my kids are like, am I allowed to use this? And I'm like, yeah, it's fine. I'm just gonna throw them in the washing machine. Okay, sorry, unlike yesterday where it was overcast and pouring all day, today the sun has come out and it's a little bit bright in here, so I'm shifted over just a little bit, but that's okay. Now you can just see a different view. But I apologize, the sun keeps going in and out. Okay, so another essential for your table, poppers. My British girlfriend turned me on to these. She's one of my best friends in the world, and when we went to her house at Christmas time, she had these adorable little poppers, and they are so charming and so sweet. And Williams-Sonoma has the gold ones. They have some really cute tartan ones. If you're into red as well, go grab them. These will sell out. Let me just show you what happens when you pop these open. So you grab those ends and pop it open, and inside is the cutest little things. You get a little crown, which everybody has to wear. It's just a thing. Like, you have to wear the little crown. You put the little crown on your head, and it's full of just little, let's see, treats, and, or is that all this one? Oh, this one came, I popped it right onto the floor. This one came with crayons, which is good to know because maybe I should have some little things for them to play with. So there's a little toy and a little crown inside. So it's so cute and so charming. So you have to have these. Let me clean up real quick. Some of the other essentials that you need to have on your table are really great flatware. I've seen these at Target, these black ones. They're black stainless steel. They're super cool. They add just a little bit of an edge to your table. And I think that when you have something that's very frilly and kind of over the top, that's something that's just kind of sleek and modern, just helps the whole thing feel balanced. You can find these at Target. I found mine at H&M actually, because I think they're actually cheaper there. Oh my gosh, look at these mugs. You've got to have great mugs. And I went a little over the top this year. I bought coffee mugs for our hot chocolate. These are so cute. I love them so much. They're white and they're modern and they're graphic with this monochrome look here, and everybody's initial is on it. And I just think adding something personal to the table is like a little bit of a gift right there at the end. I was actually looking, West Elm has these really cute gold ornaments that have the initials, and I wanted to buy them and my store did not have them, and I didn't have time to grab them. I may still actually order those because they're super cute. I'll throw a link down below for you. But having something personal on the table, I think just really takes it over the top. Also, I found these cute gingerbread men at Starbucks of all places. Aren't these adorable? I know, I'm so sorry about the sun. It's bright on the side of the house, but that's what I love. When I'm not videoing, it's really amazing. Another thing that I've got here are these adorable little mini donuts. I love to add just something very neutral to the table. These are extra yummy and I didn't have to bake them. That's the best part, right? Finally, I found these snowflake marshmallows. These are from Starbucks. I was waiting in line to grab one of their juniper. Oh my gosh, that's what it is. It's a juniper latte and it was delicious. If you haven't tried it, definitely grab it. And then grab some marshmallows while you're there. Finally, make sure that you add candlelight. And I found these adorable little houses at Target, and they have a little tea light that goes in the back. Having that sort of coziness to the table, you need a little bit of candlelight. It's really nice this way because it's literally housed inside of a container so that you don't have to worry about anybody getting burnt while they reach across the table and hand things. Now, my final thing that I want to add to this table, this isn't gonna last from, you know, the early December through Christmas Day. I'm gonna need to switch this out, but I always add just a little bit of fresh greenery. Let me show you what I grabbed. We were at Home Depot on our way home yesterday, grabbing stuff for the renovations going on in all the rooms that are not in this video. And they had all kinds of fresh greens that they're taking off of the Christmas trees. And you can just go and get these for free. And I just grabbed a bunch of them and just pulled off a few stems. And I'm gonna add these to the table to just give it a little bit of that punch. And I think that's why everything needs to be simple, is so that this can all look amazing. I'm gonna get to work putting this greenery down on this table, and I hope that you've enjoyed these quick little tips. I would love to hear yours. What do you do that's special for your Christmas morning breakfast table? Do you sit down for breakfast, or are you more of eating breakfast on the floor while you unwrap presents? I would love to hear, and if you have any tips that you'd like to share with us, add them to the comments, because I think people are really enjoying seeing what other people, their ideas, and that's just really fun. So I love that. And don't forget, hit subscribe and visit us at thehouseofvalentina.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.